As International Human Rights Day is observed across the globe, human rights defender HRD Manipur has appealed for sincere efforts to resettle those displaced persons in their original homes and also to ensure free movement of people from all communities on national highways in the state. Human rights defender Manipur launched its calendar for 2026 along with a poster campaign for human rights. Speaking in the function that was held at Manipur Press Club, Chairman of Human Rights Defender Manipur, Joy Chingankham, said, Manipur has been deprived of rights bestowed under Constitution of India, especially the freedom of speech and expression, and to move freely throughout the territory of India. He further urged Centre to ensure human rights for people in Manipur by resolving the problems faced by internally displaced persons and to ensure free movement on national highways.
India government ni matakta kuna appeal tawjiri national highway se free wena se hangdokpi national highway da athing mapi se koi chatba yadri ba si umthon ba aduga koi saing mafam da koi mau bu jake chu more bu jake chu chojak bu jake chu jiri bu jake chu koi gi Manipur da lei ba mi pung khuri mang na chatba ya ba ge ya ba bi ba koi mapan da lei ba satra mahiroi sing se hojik ti government na si lambi si hangdoktrabani na flight da tier si yang wang bai tare sigi si in the government na aviation ga tanaraga koi appeal ta buni ko 50% oi biu satra sing mahiroi sing gi dam ta khalaga aduga ate anaba ekwa koi passenger gi su mayam de low rate gi koi hande biu hai bisu appeal to bi ani subada IDP sing si mai gi mafam chaba magi hanagi mayum nu leiraga mayum da changan biro leitaraga mayum phalna sem biro india government chu gyan ta biro de koi sida khana sai nei ba koi kang masen ji oina mu gyan ta koi hanagi ko nungsi chana na mu kor pa si koi na pamjai